Hey everybody, working on this piece over here, walnut husks. So what I did was I got some actual walnuts that I had laying around. I've got them, I make stuff with the walnuts. When they dry out and turn brown, the husk, the outer husk of the walnuts, it makes a good dye. And so most of it's off of there. So I kind of just cut some up with the bandsaw real quick and kind of got some little pieces, put in a little bit of water, and then heated that up. And magic started to happen. And that was taking some, dripping it in different places. I want this to have a really wild and natural look. There's perfection in the chaos. And that's what we're doing here. We've got natural walnut husk dye, and I'm just splattering it around in places. And then we're taking just a leaf blower, miniature leaf blower, and we're gonna spread the drips. And that, I think, is looking really cool. I ended up liking it better with the dye and the splatters in the background. So that's what I ended up doing. What is art to you?